Welcome back to the block party. Today we're not working on cars. We're replacing metal on a horse trailer. It's a lot of fun. Stand by. Welcome back, all you cool cat and kittens. Got that heavy motherfucker on there. Finally. Tomorrow we get to sand it and paint it. See y'all next time. Okay, welcome back. I got tired of welding on a horse trailer, so this evening I'm going to be sanding on.
I came to get down. Gotta keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't nothing left. Gotta keep the flame on max. I'ma keep it going till there ain't nothing left.
Okay, so we're off a time lapse. I have everything ground down, ready to go. Ready for a little bit of body filler. That's how I like my stuff prepped. Okay, so got a little body filler mixed up. I'm gonna go ahead and get this spreaded. I'm gonna show you how to pretty much make it as smooth as you can get it. Makes it a lot easier to sand. First off, you gotta get your finger wet. Gotta get it in there. Take care of all the inside stuff. Can't be scared of it. If it's your first time, I can understand that you're scared of it. It won't take long. Okay, got that taken care of. Now we go for the outside. Go ahead and get these spot wheels on the bottom. There we go. Take this back side. Getting these corners is kind of hard. Just kind of got to brush them softly. The smoother, the better. But this mud cuts pretty fast, so it don't really have to be that smooth. All right. Get it. The first coat at least. Okay. There's how it looks the first coat. Not too bad. Hopefully one more coat will fix it. Okay, so while I'm waiting on body filler to dry, I figured I'd tell you a little bit about my buddy's truck. Old body style. Getting a complete paint job done. Cab corners and rockers replaced, of course, and he has got 6.0 swap done. It runs really good. And with this one, I'm doing something I've never done before. We're actually going flat white, which I've never done. It should look pretty good though. And guys, before I put you on time lapse and get this cab corner sanded, I want to talk about a brand of sandpaper that I started using that Nate from Blue Collar Performance told me about from Clark's Wholesale. They have a store in Tulsa, Oklahoma and Oklahoma City, but I'm a diehard 3M fan. pretty much used it my whole life. Won't use anything but 3M. But, you know, we all know it. The price of sandpaper is pretty high. But this brand is called High Tech. I don't know if anybody's ever used it or not, but I absolutely love it. To me, it's just as good as the 3M stuff. It's gold like 3M, but I pretty much buy everything from High Tech now as far as sandpaper goes. But I actually like it. There's going to be a lot of people out there that say, oh no, nothing as good as 3M. Well, you're probably right, but you can go ahead and pay $80 for a roll of 80 grit when I'm paying $25. So more power to you. Well, I'm going to put you on time lapse. We'll get this thing set. Well, there it is. Got this side done. I'm going to put a real thin skim coat on it to get rid of all the pinholes and stuff. Block it down 180 and 320, and then that part will be ready to primer. And then I'm going to have to go up, fill all the holes for the drip rails, fix a few dents on the roof, get rid of those trim pieces on the back of the cab, and it'll be ready for some polyester primer. So to end this video, I can tell you a little bit about this truck. It's got passed down a few times between friend after friend, but Will, who owns it now, has absolutely went the extra mile on everything. All the brake lines have been replaced. Everything to do with the brakes have been replaced. All the suspension's been replaced. Wheel bearings, everything. And you come back here to the back. Got CalTrack suspension on it, flip kit, all that good stuff. It's really going to be a badass truck when it's done. It's going to have an LS in it with a Whipple blower. Should make pretty good power. And that's it for tonight. Thank you.